Hi guys, welcome to Doing Marie. My name is Marie if you are new. Hi guys, welcome to Doing Marie. My name is Marie. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe. So today is a wash day. I'm so excited because I think I've mentioned it in another video that I wash my hair twice a week. On a Wednesday I co-wash, and today Saturday I actually use a shampoo to wash my hair thoroughly. And especially because yesterday I used a gel, but also a what's it called, a hair wax, you know, to style my hair, even though my hair feels really soft. But it's a wash day because it starts itching a little bit, so I need to wash my hair. I am all about, I think this is what this channel is about, is to find simple ways to manage my hair, ways that doesn't take forever, and also ways that doesn't like cost a lot or break the bank. I think that is what it is, because over the years I've bought so much expensive stuff and I still don't know what my hair likes. So I'm kind of really going back, taking 100 steps back, and just finding simple ways of doing my hair, managing my hair, and keeping my hair healthy and also not breaking the bank, as I mentioned. So I'm gonna wash my hair, and as I said, it has the hair wax, so I'm looking to have that all removed. And if there's one method that I learned from a hairdresser, is to use a shampoo that has sulfate, but also to add the shampoo on dry hair. That will remove everything. So that's what I'm gonna do. But before that, I'm gonna make the deep conditioner, because obviously after I use a shampoo, I always deep condition. So you can use any deep conditioner you like, and also any shampoo you like. Doesn't have to be any of this, because I have other shampoos as well that I'm planning to experiment on. Because eventually, you see this one, the price is on there is $4.99 and it's pounds. So if in here in euro, this is when I was in England. Come on, focus. Okay, I'm not sure why this camera is not focusing. It's a damn good camera, but it's not focusing on me, but whatever. So this is £4.99, and in euro it's about €7 here. I've seen it here. It's €7, so it's quite expensive compared to the normal shampoos on the mainstream, right? So yes, that being said, you can use any surface shampoo you like when it comes to this. But okay, let's do hair. I got the Fix My Hair anti-tacky. I also got this one, Repair, beautiful textures, rapid repair. I've not used it before. I had it for a while now. You can see the price is still there. I have it for this. Actually was the cheapest deep conditioner I ever bought. $5.99, $5.95, cheapest one I ever bought. All these other ones are just like expensive here, but never mind. So I'm gonna use anyone. This is just, I have many others, but this is just to highlight that you can use anyone that your hair likes, as long as you like also add some oils, some good oils to the deep conditioner. That's my perception. See the other ones. This one also is not a runny texture. This one is actually thicker, the anti-jackies Fix My Hair. And this one is an Intense Repair Conditioner Mask. It's also a thick consistency, as you can see, like almost buttery. And the other one of Soft and Sassy. Hi, Bob. This one looks like this. I think it's it's very fluffy, but it's also not runny. So I'm looking for an Intense Repair today. This one is Super Duper Softening Conditioner, so I'm gonna go for a Repair. Okay, so because my intentions were to use the actually to use this one, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use this one anyway. That was my intention, so I'm gonna continue with my intention, even though I thinking of trying the beautiful texture, but I think I'm gonna continue with my intention. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pour some right in here. because because I don't have a big head and I don't have like a really big hair or anything, so I think for my hair that is enough. I know it doesn't look a lot, but that is enough for me. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a little bit of water because I like my deep conditioners to be runny, a little bit runnier. I feel like that is gonna penetrate in my hair quicker than when it's really this thickness. So I got here some water. It's distilled water, but you can use any water you like. I would have used a tap water to be quite honest, but I just had this one right here. That's for my daily drinking. Just a little bit. Just, I'm not sure if you can see it. Just tiny bit. Doesn't have to be like a big amount. Just tiny bit. You can see it there. You can see it right here. So just gonna mix that. It's still feeling thick, so I'm gonna add oil. Here I got for my oil mixture, that is olive oil with grapeseed oil in a jar of henna, organic henna, and some herbs, and you let it stay for like 4 weeks, and then I got this. So I'm just gonna add a good amount. I also use this for my hot oil treatment, so just like that. Okay, so for me that's okay. It can be a little bit more thinner, but that's all right. So now let's start with the hair, with washing. So I need to have everything ready so that when I'm washing, while the hair is still wet and it's still hot and all that, I can drain the water out of the hair and I can apply the conditioner straight away. As you can see, I'm wearing my Christmas jumper because it's really cold out here. Excuse me, it's really cold out here, so yeah. Maybe it would have better to use a cheaper shampoo for this kind of thing. Okay, so I'm just gonna twist this hair because obviously you don't want it to be tangled up all in the shower. So that's what it is. I will add more shampoo once I get in the shower. I will add more shampoo and I will wash my hair there just once with the shampoo, and then I will add my deep conditioner and I'll be back. I'll just add a little bit more. Okay, I'll see you guys in a few minutes. Okay guys, so hair has been washed and I'm gonna add my deep conditioner now, and then I will wait for like 30 minutes, an hour, and then I will wash it off, and I will add my rice water and leave it in for another 30 minutes and then rinse it off as well. So yeah. And then I'm just adding this one, and then I'm gonna be adding this one, and it has elastic right here, so I'm just gonna just like so as I said, so you can sit like this for like 30 minutes or just blow dry it. Just either way is effective, so I might even blow dry to quicken this process so I can add my rice water and go about my day. I still got the conditioner everywhere. So that's it for me guys. I want to thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and I will see you into my next video. Bye.